Australia's largest city is recovering from a series of storms which saw hailstones the size of tennis balls. There they are, look at them. Cool. Unusually large blocks of ice smashed through car windscreens, as you can imagine, in Sydney and created dangerous conditions as well on the famous harbour. Hail apparently fairly common in New South Wales, although it hasn't been seen on this scale since 1999. When it caused about £1 billion worth of damage. You can see why it would.
Goodness me, that's absolutely massive. The windscreen smashing all over the place.